Thanks for taking such good care of me, Julian.
Well, what else would I do for the woman I love? Yeah, let me in there. Get my body heat can help keep me warm.
The dampness makes it feel so much colder. But the sound of the rain is nice. I haven't listened to the sound of rain for so long.
Nor have I, if I ever did. She's right, it is nice, it's very peaceful. Just the sound of the rain. Not two hearts beating.
No, Julian, it's...
No, I'm sorry. I keep putting you in uncomfortable positions. It's just... I won't lie to you, Eve. I love you with all my being. And I couldn't be happier than I am at this very moment alone with you here, all wet and disheveled. But you know, you've never looked more beautiful. I just want to take care of you. Tonight, tomorrow.